Hawaiian 35. And center Hawaiian 35.
Hawaiian 35, good.
Yeah, we encountered severe turbulence about 50 miles back at flight level 400, just to let you know.
Hawaiian 35, roger, and just want to verify no injuries?
Right now, I think we have about at least one injury, so we're going to get it expedited into Honolulu.
Hawaiian 35, roger. I'll just declare an emergency for you. And when able, it's going to need some more information on that injury.
Okay, roger, we'll get back to you.
Hawaiian 35, contact center 124.1, and just let them know.
24-1 Hawaiian 35, okay. And center Hawaiian 35 taking in out of flight of 250 for 10,000 emergency aircraft. Yeah, we it's a pretty severe turbulence, and I guess we have 3 flight attendants that are injured. Yeah, we told our contact dispatch already, and so we have medical personnel meeting at the gate.
135 heavy approach. 135 heavy, stiff approach, information X-rays, current depart Bamble heading 240 and expect the ILS Yankee runway 4 right. 135 heavy, descend and maintain 8,000.
Maintain 8,000 Hawaiian 35.
135 heavy, turn left heading 220.
220 Hawaiian 35. Yes, sir.
135 heavy, descend and maintain 6,000.
6,000 Hawaiian 35 heavy.
Hawaiian 35 heavy, descend and maintain 1,500.
1,500 Hawaiian 35 heavy.
Hawaiian 35 heavy, turn right heading 260.
260 Hawaiian 35.
Hawaiian 35 heavy, did you need medical personnel at the gate?
Yes, we do, Hawaiian 35.
Hawaiian 35 heavy, roger, turn right heading 310.
310 Hawaiian 35.
Hawaiian 35 heavy, 5 miles from Pearly, turn right heading 010, maintain 1,500 till established on the localizer for the ILS Yankee, runway forward approach.
Okay, 010, clear for the ILS for right Yankee approach, Hawaiian 35.
Hawaiian 35 heavy, and if able, maintain at least 170 knots until 60 Amy.
Okay, we'll try our best, Hawaiian 35.
Hawaiian 35 heavy, contact tower 118.1, good day.
18-1 Hawaiian 35, very good day. Tower Hawaiian 35, taking on the ILS for right approach.
Hawaiian 35, heavy Honolulu tower 1110 at 314, clear to land.
Clear to land for right, Hawaiian 35.
35 heavy, traffic in position on the parallel runway.
Roger, Hawaiian 35.